Hey guys, just giving you an update here. Finally got electrical service here updated and finished. About 300 amps or so, a little bit more I have access to. So just cleaning some motherboards up and just doing a little bit of cosmetic work in here with these panels. I think it helps. I don't know. Still running some of the same ones so far, BMK3s, and there's some KA3 units right there. ASIC coin, box miners, and digging around some totes, trying to organize some stuff, and I found some random 3070s that I didn't even know I had, so that's kind of nice. Still have an HS3 coming. That was on order, and that's about all that I got coming right now. So currently got about 738 terahash with Kadena. Gives you about roughly about 38 a day or so. That's slowly dwindling down, of course, but and then see a coin. I know a lot of you are using this Luxor UI, and it's handy. So there's I got two S1 Maxes and a couple boxes right there, so I'm on about 27 terahash currently. So I installed another 30 amp plug over here to PDU to if I ever need to work on one or two and open them up. So other than that, just trying to get everything organized and situated. I eventually plan on probably filling this rack up and then do some additional immersion cooling on this sort of area. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Just trying to clean some stuff up, really. Other than that, that's all I got. See you next time. Well, one other thing I was going to mention was some people ask me what the temperature typically is in here, and it's sort of winter time, so we got I got snow on the ground out there, so it's a little cooler in here. But like right now, it's running 54 degrees Fahrenheit. When I'm usually in here working, I'll kind of close a shutter off or open up the intake, and I can keep it comfortable in here working. So, but when I'm not, typically, yeah, the lower the better. Just as long as we're removing the heat, that's important. So, the only other thing I can mention is in the sound. The sound's typically 65, 66 decibels. So one thing I do know in the colder climates, I noticed if it does drop below that 30 degree Fahrenheit, that they don't like to run efficiently. They'll start shutting down, and it just gets kind of cold. And I don't know what you guys experience. I know there's a heat tolerance threshold, but when it's a little colder out, or it's too cold, they definitely don't like that as well. So, and it's not good for the chips, right? You don't want a constant chip heat increase, temperature, and for it to drop again. So those kind of things. So, all right, guys, next time.